Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best underwater drone diving available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best underwater drone diving, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. Dadafun V-EVO 4K Underwater Drone. Create epic footage and wonderful underwater moments with V-EVO's upgraded camera system, achieving professional class shots with ease and enhanced smoothness. The FIFISH V-EVO's hydrodynamic, fluid, and rugged water droplet design ensures minimal resistance against ocean currents, allowing for longer dives. An attachment port accommodates a variety of tools, enabling integration and versatility for various tasks and scenarios. Reach beyond the limits of traditional methods, and achieve full 360 degrees freedom in underwater mobility, hovering and posture holds. Turn your creative imagination into cinematic 4K imaging reality. FIFISH V-EVO comes equipped with a pair of combined 5000 lumens middle-dot 5500K white LED lights. Optimize your vision across the deep sea and restore the colors of the world below, especially through dark and turbid environments. See the bigger picture and discover an extraordinary world below. Go beyond a conventional underwater lens to achieve a greater impact with your visuals. Delivering unique sensory controls powered by the FIFISH app. Take full 360 degrees control of the FIFISH's view and path simply by moving and turning your head. Smart, accurate, and easy to use, empower your dives with the all-new FIFISH control. Number 2. Camolech M2S Advanced Water Drone. Chasing M2S is an industrial-grade revolutionary underwater robot with upgraded intelligent flight control system and image algorithm, bringing unprecedented underwater perception and freedom of movement of industrial-grade underwater off. Chasing M2S can dive to a maximum depth of 100 meters, an operating radius of 200 meters. 400 meters extendable distance. It is the same model, but with different lengths of video, data cable. With the 200-meter variant, you have more freedom of movement. Maximum depth is still 100 meters. Video, data cable is interchangeable, and the different lengths can also be purchased separately. M2S has 8 vectored thrusters layout which allows omni-movement in all directions. The aluminium alloy compact body allows single-person operation and quick deployment in 3 minutes. Chasing designed the M2S underwater drone to be compact and lightweight for easy handling. Operating it is a breeze, making it perfect for various inspection tasks in different industries. M2S offers f1.8 FOV, equipped with 1/2.3 CMOS and is anti-video shake feature, which improves the camera's low light performance and dynamic range greatly. Chasing M2S has a default 97.68 Wh battery that can power up to 4 hours operation. The battery compartment is ready to use. 200 Wh backup battery is also optional to meet the needs of long-time operation. The included SD card is in the model, but can be removed for easier handling, review and editing of the recordings on EGG PC. The included memory card is a standard micro SD card with a capacity of 64 GB. Here you can alternatively equip the model with micro SD memory card of up to 512 GB. The third generation Apex anti-stuck C motor 3.0 used in the Chasing M2S adopts a unique anti-stuck solution and magnet protection technology, which ensures power supply but also greatly reduces electrochemical corrosion and aggregation rust caused by motor wear. Chasing M2S is widely applied in various industries, such as underwater photography, hull and dock inspection, fishery and aquaculture monitoring, underwater emergency rescue, scientific exploration, water conservancy and hydropower inspection, pipeline inspection, providing efficient solutions for underwater observation tasks. Number 3. LISM underwater fishing drones. The wireless control range is up to 1,000 meters, meeting the needs of all anglers for distance. Equipped with a unique 220-degree double-joint rotary 4K camera, it can meet users' multi-angle shooting on water and underwater. Considering the varied angles and requirements in the water shooting scene, it is equipped with a 5800 mAh waterproof battery for up to 2 hours. The surface of the water is rapidly controlled, and the speed of water navigation is up to 4.5 meters per second. Mobile intelligent fish finder with powerful sonar detection function can detect the fish distribution, size, depth and other fish conditions within 80 meters underwater, as well as temperature, water depth and underwater topography. Recommended for fishing spots. Based on the collected terrain, fish information and other information, recommend the best fishing spots through intelligent algorithms. Remote tow hook. Remote control of the fuselage tail hook by Wi-Fi signal. 800 meters range ultra remote tow hook. Equipped with an external smart bait nesting device. Remote control of the hull to the designated waters. Press the remote control button to quickly put the bait into the designated drop point. Conduct bait nesting. FIFISH GPS automatic path underwater mapping, providing scientific and accurate underwater information in the form of data and visualization. Once the rollover occurs, the hull will automatically flip to the normal state, and the control does not need to be considered during the process to ensure safe navigation. GPS satellite automatic positioning, automatic return, to ensure safe recycling. Normal mode supporting full speed on water sports. Cruise mode intelligent cruise control system, enjoy the ease of operation. Underwater mode record above and underwater moment with the dual rotating 4K cam. Number 4. LISM Ray underwater drone. New arrival underwater drone 4K HD camera profession fishing drone RC wizard drone diving boating RC fishing detector drones toy power vision power a remote control fishing boat RC wizard underwater drone with 4K UHD camera diving boating. The Power A base station is equipped with a 164 feet long waterproof tether and a 6400 mAh with a battery life of up to 4 hours. Fully integrated 4K UHD camera shoots 12 MP still photos. Burst mode shoots up to 5 frames per second. Innovative underwater drone designed for everyone who wants to explore the underwater world. The Power A Wizard with Zeiss VR1 Plus goggles, 64GB memory card and a 70 meters tether is ideal for underwater photography and video, boat and ship inspection, maritime salvage, fish finding, treasure hunting and underwater exploration. Power A can deep dive up to 30 meters and transmits images and data over a distance of 80 meters with internal Wi-Fi system. Transmitter connects wirelessly with the base station to operate the vehicle, adjust LED lighting, and adjust speed. Using the Vision Plus mobile app, users can view real-time transmitted photo or video on any iOS or Android mobile device. Number 5. Dadafun FIFISH V6 underwater drone. FIFISH V-EVO is an upgraded version of the V6 underwater drone, with the latest upgrades, 5000 LED, 60 FPS, and more tools to go with it. The FIFISH V-EVO's hydrodynamic, fluid, and rugged water droplet design ensures minimal resistance against ocean currents, allowing for longer dives. An attachment port accommodates a variety of tools, enabling integration and versatility for various tasks and scenarios. Reach beyond the limits of traditional methods, and achieve full 360 degrees freedom in underwater mobility, hovering and posture holds. Turn your creative imagination into cinematic 4K imaging reality. FIFISH V-EVO comes equipped with a pair of combined 5000 lumens middle dot 5500K white LED lights. Optimize your vision across the deep sea and restore the colors of the world below, especially through dark and turbid environments. Create epic footage and wonderful underwater moments with V-EVO's upgraded camera system, achieving professional class shots with ease and enhanced smoothness. See the bigger picture and discover an extraordinary world below. Go beyond a conventional underwater lens to achieve a greater impact with your visuals.